We keep having to order pods.
What we may have to do is,
Find more?
we may have to take plain boxes, okay?
Yep.
I'm just trying to think of how we can do this just for future reference. Oh, you're recording.
You're on tape, Stephen. Hooper Dink.
Hooper Dink. What? No, but instead of doing it how Sean and I did pre-doing it,
Yep.
as we go, just put a bunch.
Unbelievable.
Did they see what they do?
On the plastic?
Ready? Oh my.
We're going to have to get more boxes made up.
Hey, that 16 one, was it just that shelf or was it the corner too?
You always like got the camera.
Oh, I smell it. Thought I was immune to it.
Why?
Soot. I can smell soot again. Well, we know where all the pictures go right now.
What if he's not even coming right back?
You gonna drop it on his head?
I was gonna say catch.
I'll drop it on somebody's head. I got the video here. Look.
Ready?
Do it.
You're on candid camera.
The big thing's gonna be probably after one up the bill from you. What's up on the wall? Actually, stuff on the wall.
Jeez. There's a couple more of our pods and a dumpster. A lot of this has been power washed already.
So we get like software to write boxes and stuff.